Now you've completed your first relief carving, you might be wondering what to do next. Well, what I'd suggest is you explore wood carving workshops. Before we had this course, we've put up a lot of standalone beginners projects, beginners advice, and I'll put some information in the download for you to work through, a sort of little list. What I suggest you do is you take your learning, your challenges easily. Don't have too big jumps, don't take on too much before too big a project that you can't manage easily. So incremental steps, and again I'll make some notes in the download. And don't be afraid of repeating something, either this whole course anytime you like, or any of the projects you take on. When you do something a second time, you do learn from your mistakes. You usually do it a lot quicker, and it's usually a much more satisfying result. So don't be afraid of repeating. As you progress in your carving, you're going to need more tools. More tools gives you more options. It's a bit like having more notes on a piano. You can play more. So there are more things you can do if you have more tools. But you don't want to go out and buy a lot of carving tools. You want to be quite specific. And what I suggest you do is you go on to the next project you're going to do, like on this site, and you'll find there's a tool list. Those are the tools you should get. You should use them, become familiar with them, and add them to your overall feeling of carving. There's no tools on this site that are not very useful. So even though they're for a specific project, you'll find the tools being repeated among projects. So that's the best way to go forward with carving tools. A few at a time, building up your kit slowly as you become familiar and as you need them. Now the last thing I'd like to say is that as you look at all these other projects on the site, even the advanced ones, do look to see how I'm using the tools, how I'm making the cuts, because you will see, as I've said before, you will see that I'm repeating the same sort of cuts again and again, and you already know a lot about carving. I know this comes as a surprise because what we've done is quite simple, but actually you know a lot of carving cuts and a lot of way of working with the tools. So trust that. And also, very last thing I would say, don't forget to enjoy what you're doing. Carving's great, you should be having fun, so take it easy and enjoy it.